Hello my loves, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing super well today. If this is your first time coming across my channel on YouTube, welcome. I invite you to please subscribe before you go, and please turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a video. And I'm also going to ask you guys to please watch the videos to the end. I'm trying to shift that watch time, and your help is definitely 100% appreciated, because I try not to make the videos too long so you guys are going to be too bored. Well, in today's video I'm going to show you guys what I got. I took the plunge. Yes, I did, but not what you think. Okay, I have a box of goodies here, and I got this from Juvia's place, as you can tell from the title. I do have, I think maybe I had 4 or 5 foundations from Juvia's place, but I find that the foundations really wasn't working for my skin, so I no longer have them. In any case, it's about the unboxing today. And of course I use Fumi the Salad Foods code. You know, Fumi is always on Instagram, Insta stories doing something. And I use her code and I got myself some things. Oh my God. So this is the little box right here. I don't know why I'm so excited. I have no idea why I'm so excited about this unboxing today, because I've never tried the Juvia's Place lipsticks before. I think I had an eyeshadow palette, and I have no idea where it is. Anyway, let me tell you what I got. This is the WAHALA Mini Lip Duo. Here we go. I think this is very nice. You know what? I didn't even open this yet because the box literally came today. And I just threw a top on, fixed my face up real quick, and I thought, let me come show you guys what I got. Because normally I'm just going to half open the boxes in the meantime. So this is the mini gloss. A lot of brands are coming out with lip glosses these days, don't you find? So many companies, Revolution, e.l.f., so many companies, not companies, but beauty brands are coming out with lip glosses, and this is what they look like. Okay. And I will be definitely doing a makeup look using some of these products for you guys. And this is my actual first bunch of things that I've actually got from Juvia's place. This is another lip gloss. And let me open this one. Oh, I think you just pull it down like that. And first of all, let me show you the package. This is what the package looks like, okay? And this person on the box, she must be an influencer or something. I'm not quite sure who she is. I think this is called Sophisticated. That's what this is called. And this is what the package looks like. Okay. I don't have the time to do the swatches today because I really don't want to make the this video too long. So of course this is the WAHALA Mini Lip Gloss, and this is the Sophisticated Lip Gloss, and this is the package. Very, very beautiful package. This I think is another lipstick, and this is called In Vogue. Let me open this one for you. First of all, you see I'm so excited. This is the packaging right here. Really cute. And I've got my little scissors just to help me out here, because guys, I'm telling you, this just came and I'm just so excited. And beautiful pink packaging, guys. Really cute. Oh my God, look at that. It is so sweet. Very nice color, up my alley for sure. Wow. And again, this one is called In Vogue. Wow, it's so nice. I love the packaging though. I am a stickler when it comes to packaging with beauty products. Really, really nice. In Vogue, it's like a nude color. I have a bunch of things here, so I'm not going to be swatching because, like I said, I don't want the video to be too long. And this is the Perfect Red Lipstick. Let's just open this one for you. The packaging is so cute though, eh? Oh my God, look at that red lipstick, guys. Look at that. Look at this lipstick. This is really pretty. Wow. Again, it comes in a nice little box right here. There we go. Okay, very, very pretty. Let's move on. This is another lip gloss. It's called So Glazed. There we go. And we're just going to open this up. Wow! Look at that. That is so pretty. This is gorgeous. It's called So Glazed. Wow. I feel like I'm in heaven right now. These things are just amazing. This one is called AFRIK, I think it is. It is another red lipstick. Let me just open this one up. And that's the packaging right there. Oh my God. And I love the shape of the lipsticks, eh? It's so cute. Very, very, very different. Wow. So I'm just going to open them up quick for you guys, like I said, because I don't want to make the videos too long. I do have another lip gloss here. I went crazy with the lip gloss, guys. I did. Went a little nuts. Ah! Look at this. Look at this one. Is this a lip gloss for me? Ah! Oh my God. It smells like pineapple. Ooh, that is so pretty though. Look at the packaging. Look at the packaging, guys. That is so cute. Wow. Juvia's place. I'm so happy right now, to be honest with you. I'm really, really, really happy. Let's see what I got here. Another lip gloss. Yeah. I didn't think I got so many lip products. Ah. This one is called, it's Electric. Look at that. This is so cute. Beautiful. And you know what though, I think Juvia's place at the time when I ordered this had so many sales on and things were really, really, really at a low price. And I thought, let me just pick up on quite a few things. This is another lip gloss. And let's just open up this one quickly. Ah, and this one is this one is clear. Look at that. Very pretty. Wow. Okay, what do I got here? Another lip gloss, guys. And this is the one by Fumi. Look at that. See how beautiful that is? Disco Fever. Yay. And you know what though, I remember when I was watching Fumi's Insta story, she said that this was sold out. But luckily when I got online, this was available. And there is the packaging. Really, 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 really cute. And I know Fumi raves about these things. Oh my God. This is quite nice. And I do have another lip gloss here. Let's just do this quickly. And this one is called, what is this one called? I don't have my lipstick here. This one is called Peppermint. Let's just open this one up quickly. Ah, so I think I got two of them. This one smells like pineapple. This one is called what? Oh, this one is mango. The one that I opened before. That I said it smells like pineapple. Yeah, it smells like pineapple, but it's mango. And then this one here. Ah, it smells like pure peppermint. Oh my God, the packaging is quite nice. Oh lordy. Do you see that, guys? Ha, ha, ha. And the queen of the crop is the NUBIAN Royal, it's called. Okay, I hope I'm saying that right. Let me open this quickly to show you guys what I got. I feel like I'm in heaven right now. I really do. Hang on, this is giving me a little bit of trouble to open up here. Let's just use that scissors and open this quickly. And I think this is the eyeshadow palette. Let's just open this up. Ooh, my God. Oh, holy smoke. Look at the colors of that. I think these two were an item together, if I was not mistaken, because I'm not quite sure if this is the one by Fumi though, but This is really pretty. The NUBIAN Royal. Look at that. The colors are so pretty. So cute. I'm going to give it to Juvia's Place with their eyeshadow palettes. It's really, really good. And the colors are so beautiful and pigmented. Very, very, very nice. I can't wait to do a look with this for you guys. And this is all I got from Juvia's Place. I am so excited. And again, like I said, when I got these, they were on sale. And I used Fumi's code, you know, because she always leaves her codes on the Insta stories. And I picked up a bunch of things. I'm so happy I got all of these things, guys. So I am going to leave everything that I got in the description box below for you guys. I got a hell of a lot of lipsticks, and because the lipsticks are really, really good. And all of them will be linked in the description box for you guys. And I really hope you enjoyed my excitement of unboxing these things from Juvia's Place. I got a lot of things. Okay, here is my box full of goodies, all from Juvia's Place, and I can't wait to use some of these things. And on that note, this is the end of the video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing. I'm going to leave every single thing that I got in this box in the description box below for you guys, so you can see what I purchased. Just in case you want to pick up a couple of things, it's going to be all there for you guys. And I thank you so much for watching today's video. I do appreciate you tuning in today. Please subscribe before you go. Thumbs up this video. And my name is Odette. Again, thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time. Toodles!